On the other news, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. condemned the insensitive and disrespectful remarks made by some 2025 election candidates, urging that such behavior should not be idolized. Malacanang emphasized that comments trivializing women and rape are no longer acceptable. Candidates like Christian Xia, Ruel Peter Gonzaga, and Mocha Uson have received show cause orders from COMELEC. The president praised COMELEC's quick response and advised candidates to focus on promoting respect, integrity, and truthfulness in their campaigns.
Dapat ipagpatuloy nila ang pag-promote ng respeto, ng integridad, at ng truthfulness o katotohanan sa kanilang mga sinasabi habang sila ay nagbibigay ng kanilang mga pangako sa kanilang mga constituents at sa mga botante.